I'm going to show you how to reset a password on an Azure virtual machine. We're logged into the Home Virtual Machines link that you see in Microsoft Azure in the top left. And I'm in the properties of my client, which is a Windows 10 virtual machine. Now I'm going to go down to where it says Reset Password. And I'll go ahead and click on Reset Password. If I don't know the username, it's okay. It will automatically create a new one. If I do know the username, it will just edit it by resetting the password. So I put in my password twice. I'm going to choose Update. Now this does not work on a domain controller. This only works on a Windows server or a Windows 10 client. And it says my password was successfully reset. I'm going to go ahead and test it out, make sure it works okay. I'm going to click on Overview and Connect using Remote Desktop. Downloads the RDP file. I'll click to open it and connect. I'll put in my new username and password, and it looks like it's going to connect just fine. And now I'm in my Windows 10 client using the new username and password.